Modern warfare has evolved more dramatically in the past 2 decades than throughout the entire 20th century. The days when victory hinged solely on tanks, fighter jets, or sheer troop numbers are gone. Today, battles are won and lost through cutting-edge technologies that are rewriting the rules of war. In this video, we dive into 3 game-changing military innovations that have truly transformed the battlefield. The first on our list are armed hunter-killer drones, spearheaded by the U.S. MQ-9 Reaper. Built to hunt and eliminate, the Reaper can loiter above targets for over 27 hours, dwarfing the endurance of earlier surveillance drones. Equipped with Hellfire missiles and advanced sensors, it lets operators 1,000 miles away deliver pinpoint strikes without ever endangering a pilot. This revolutionized modern warfare. Precision attacks became faster, far cheaper, and politically lower risk than manned operations. Its greatest advantage? Persistent presence, owning the skies for an entire day, relentlessly watching, waiting, and striking at the decisive moment. At around $30 million per system, it's a remarkable value for the high-risk, high-reward missions it excels at. The Reaper isn't the only one. China's Winglong 2 and Russia's Orion, among others, have proliferated similar lethal precision strike capabilities, placing persistent hunter-killer power in the hands of dozens of nations worldwide. The second major transformation came from something far cheaper and simpler: FPV drones. Originally built for racing and hobby flying, FPV drones were adapted into low-cost precision weapons. In Ukraine, they became one of the most effective tools on the battlefield. An FPV drone can cost just a few $100s, yet it can destroy tanks, armored vehicles, artillery pieces, and bunkers. Operators see the battlefield in real time through a camera, allowing extremely accurate strikes. What makes FPV drones revolutionary is their cost-to-damage ratio. Expensive military equipment can now be destroyed by improvised systems assembled from civilian parts. They also changed battlefield tactics. Front lines became more dangerous, movement became harder to hide, and even well-protected positions were no longer safe. FPV drones showed that mass, speed, and creativity can sometimes be more important than advanced technology. The third game-changing technology isn't a weapon at all. It's communication. Starlink, a satellite internet system, allowed Ukrainian forces to maintain stable, high-speed communication, even when traditional infrastructure was destroyed. This meant drones could stay connected, artillery units could receive targeting data, and commanders could coordinate forces in real time. In many cases, Starlink became the digital backbone of the battlefield. For the first time, a private satellite network played a direct role in a modern war. This raises serious questions about the future. In future conflicts, satellites may become primary military targets, and space could turn into a contested battlefield of its own.